guys, we're gonna start this catch and cook now. Another pan here, and we got our lemons, avocado. We got our Panko, Old Bay seasoning, olive oil, salt and pepper, taco shells, fish tacos. Gonna be making these out of blue stripe snapper. We got these on our deep sea fishing trip. You'll see a video. Well, prior to this, you'll see all the catches.
Okay, so he's not really legal.
Hey, nice.
Oh, nice jack. Nice fish. Look at that.
Oh yeah, I got one. There you go, boys. Stocky hawkfish right there. Okay, got one. Oh my gosh, it's another one. Okay. Nice little stocky hawkfish. Alright guys, well here is the stocky hawkfish that I caught a little while ago, a few days ago. Was gonna cook these guys, but didn't want to risk anything. These little guys. This guy's pretty big. I had to take these guys out because I hooked them pretty bad. So I just took them out of their misery very quickly. So not gonna put these guys to waste. I'm not gonna eat them, but I'm going to give them back to the earth. I'm gonna go back to the environment. Thank you, baby. Plants. Nice piece, buddy. Go back to the environment. Back to the environment. Now let's get to the catch and cook. You'll see the 2 hawkfish and the blue stripe snapper I caught. I actually have like 3 because it's the ones that the rest of my friends and family caught. So those are gonna be with us that we're gonna cook right now. So let's get to cooking. Our fish right here. These are the blue stripe snapper. Alright, oil's hot now. I think we're good to go. Got our first one. This is the smallest one. Just put Panko on it again here. This guy right here, and flip him over. I'm gonna fry them for a little bit. Yeah. About 5 minutes each time. Add a little bit more spice here. Nice golden brown. Okay, that's hot. This is the first side. That one's a little bit darker because I put a little bit more Panko on there. It's a little bit more brown. That one looks good. This one's basically already cooked. It would have been a lot easier to use this guy, but it's alright. Here's number 1. Here's number 2. Alright guys, well here are the 3 complete fish. Nice golden brown. That one's really golden brown. And yeah, this one's definitely good. Let's put these into some tacos.
Give me a compliment there.
I was mad I caught a blue stripe snapper. Now I'm kind of happy because they're actually pretty damn good. Alright guys, so right here I'm just folding up the tacos for lunch. I brought them on the go with me and I forgot a knife to put the avocado on there. I only put spinach and lemon on all 3. If you guys want to see my other cooking video, step by step on how to make the tacos along with all the ingredients, I'll leave the ingredients list and the video link in the description below. Again, I caught 3 blue stripe snapper. Well, one of them's mine, the other 2 are for my friends and family. And then the 2 hawkfish, I didn't really want to take a chance with those guys, so I just buried them in the plants to go back in the earth. Forgot to film an outro because I'm a little slow. That's why I'm doing the voice over here. But again, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you all in the next adventure.